Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos out. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down, leave your comments. I would love to hear from you. I read every one of my comments. I cannot reply to every one of them. I am sorry. I hope you all understand why. Okay, a little update on my wife. Last night, they didn't do the procedure until late last night. They were supposed to put 3 stents in. They only got 1 in. They said we're going to have to come back. I guess I'm going to get to talk to the doctor today. I hadn't talked to him yet. I don't know why they couldn't get but 1 in. I don't like the sound of that. So y'all keep her in your prayers still, and thank you for it. Y'all, let's talk a little bit about the payroll tax cut that they want so bad. Y'all, this is just another way to help people that's got money. Help the rich. Okay, individuals that's working and they get the payroll tax cut. What is it going to give them? Maybe $30, $40 a pay period if they're lucky. But you take a big business. I'm going to use Donald Trump as an example. I'm not picking on Donald Trump. I would use Jeff Bezos because he owns Amazon, but we all know Amazon don't pay taxes anyway. So I'm going to use Donald Trump. Okay. The employer pays half. The employee pays half. So the employee will get a benefit of $30 or $40 pay period. Okay, that's not a whole lot. But the employer, on the other hand, that has a few thousand employees, $30 to $40 for every employee, that's a buttload of money he's going to save. Reoccurring. Now you take Donald Trump, he's probably got a few thousand employees. That's a lot of money. You take Jeff Bezos, and he's got tens of thousands of employees. But of course, he's not paying taxes anyway. This is all another scheme to help the rich get richer. It's not going to help regular people much at all. War has started between the House and the Senate. Nancy Pelosi has said that they are willing to stay off of recess next month to get a bill signed. However, Mitch McConnell has said that he will not alter the schedule a bit. Okay, this package is coming sooner than we thought, according to Steve Mnuchin. We just have to wait and see. But Steve Mnuchin said that they will pass the bill by the end of July. As you know, they got until August the 7th, but Mnuchin says the end of July. Let's just wait and see if what he's saying is true. I hope it is, but only time will tell. Steve Mnuchin also said that they will pass the unemployment extension, but people will not make more than what they did when they was on their job. I say, so what if they make more? I think they deserve it. As you know, the unemployment boost was $600 a week. They're thinking about somewhere between $200 and $400. With the way the people's luck is going, it's going to be on the lower end of that scale. McConnell is wanting to give liability protection. Well, President Trump is also. They're wanting to give liability protection to small business, well, to all business, for up to 5 years. I kind of agree with that. I'll go with that one. The Democrats want $1 trillion for state and local governments. But on the other hand, the Republicans don't want to give state and local government a penny. The Republicans would rather loosen the restrictions on the money that the state and local governments already have from the CARES Act. They got a lot of money from the CARES Act, and they couldn't spend it all on kind of restrictions. Well, if they lift those restrictions, they can spend it however they see fit, within reason. Therefore, they wouldn't need more money. I halfway agree with that. Let's talk a little bit about COVID testing. As you know, President Trump is going crazy over the higher numbers. He says it's because we test more than anyone else. Well, yeah, that's true. And most people has no symptoms at all. Yes, that's true. But if they're asymptomatic there, that means they're carrying it. Don't you want to know? I would want to know. So, I have a little plan that would fix this problem the right way. But of course, I'm just little old Walter. They're not going to listen to me. They need to come up with a new chart, a new way of reporting COVID cases. Make it simple and to the point. That way everybody will know exactly what we're facing. It needs to have 4 columns on it. 1 column is for positive test, 1 column for negative test, 1 column for asymptomatic, and 1 column for deaths. That way everybody will know across the board what we're facing. To me, this would make so much more sense than what they're doing. They're just piling them all into one pile and saying, we got so many deaths and it was on kind of COVID. Well, I heard about a guy that got killed on a motorcycle wreck, and he had COVID. He didn't die from COVID. He died with COVID, but he died from the motorcycle wreck. But they listed it as a COVID case. Y'all, this whole thing is just a circus, if you ask me. What will we get out of this stimulus package is yet to be seen. If anybody tells you that, yes, it's been approved, the $2,000 check has been approved, reoccurring checks, all this kind of stuff, don't believe them. Nothing has been approved until the Senate signs off on it, the House signs off on it, and Donald Trump puts his signature on the dotted line. It's nothing until then. It's just opinions. And just because a senator wants something, he says that this must be in the bill, that don't make it fact. The only thing that makes it fact is President Trump's signature on the dotted line. Y'all, as you know, I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. I hope you'll come back and check them out every morning. I'm also making them now at 1 p.m. every day until this package is signed. So, because there's going to be a lot of information coming out, and I want to keep you up to date on it. So please come back. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I've got this, I know it's vain, I'm sorry, but I've been doing this a little over 2 months, and my channel is, right now it's real close to 50,000. I really want that silver play button for 100,000 subscribers. Y'all, please help me get there. Everybody, please subscribe to my channel. See back there where that mindset picture is, what I'm pointing to right there? That's one of my book covers. When I get a silver play button, and I know I will, but I want it now, that's where it's going to go, so everybody can see it. Y'all, just know I love you all. We will get out of this, and y'all please continue to pray for my wife. The news that I got last night that they couldn't do but one of the stents has got me worried. I can't wait to talk to the doctor today. Y'all please keep her in your prayers, and come back at 1 o'clock. I should have another video for you then, unless something happens at the hospital. Just know I love you all. We will get out of this with our heads held high, and we will be better for it. We just have to keep faith in God that He will see us through this. I love you all. Ciao.